Welcome all. In last lecture we have seen how a binary subtraction is to be performed using ones complement method and using twos complement method. Today we will see what is code. When a number, letters or words are represented by specific group of symbols, it is said that the numbers, letters or words are being encoded and group of symbol is called as a code. In this we can see the classification of codes, which is classified into weighted codes, non-weighted codes, reflective codes, sequential codes, alphanumeric codes, and last one is error detecting and correcting codes. Now in this unit we are going to see only binary codes, BCD codes from weighted codes, and in non-weighted codes we are going to study only XS3 codes and gray codes. From these we have already learned what is binary codes and how a binary number can be represented. Now we will see one by one, that is BCD codes, XS3 codes and gray codes. Now first we will see what is BCD. The long form for BCD is binary coded decimal. That is, each digit can be represented in a binary code. In this code, each digit is represented by a 4-bit binary number. BCD is a way to express each of the decimal digits with a binary code, and the positional weights associated to binary bits in BCD are 8, 4, 2, 1, with 1 corresponding to LSB bit, whereas 8 is corresponding to MSB bit. We have already seen this 8421 formula while converting a octal number into the binary and a hexadecimal number into the binary. In the same way, we are going to write a BCD code for the decimal numbers. In this table, the decimal numbers 0 to 15 are represented in binary and in BCD. If we observe the 0 to 9 numbers having same BCD and binary codes, whereas the 10 to 15 decimal numbers, the BCD and binary numbers are different. This is because in BCD each digit is represented in a 4-bit binary numbers. Now we can see this in next slide. Now if we suppose we want to represent a decimal number 4, in binary and in BCD, we can use 8421 formula to represent this 4 in BCD and in binary. So if we want to represent 4 in binary, we can represent simply it as a 0 1 0 0. We already know how this code came into the binary format, whereas for BCD also we can write it as a 0 1 0 0. In the same way we can write the binary numbers and BCD numbers from 0 to 9, in which there is no difference of representation. Now if we want to write binary number and BCD numbers for decimal digit 10, so we can write it. First we will write the binary format of this 10 using 8421 formula. So we want 10, so we can put a 1 at the 8 position and 1 at the 2 position. Rest of the position we are going to put zeros. This is how we can write a binary number for 10. Now we are going to write a BCD code for the 10. Now in this decimal number there are two digits, that is 1 and 0. As in BCD, each of the digit in BCD each of the digits in decimal numbers are represented in BCD code, binary code. So we are going to write separately a BCD code for 1 and a BCD code for 0 using 8421 formula. So for 1 we can write a BCD code as 0 0 0 1, and for 0 we can write a BCD code as 0 0 0 0. In the same way we can write a BCD code and binary code for 12. Now first we will write a binary code for 12 using 8421 formula. So its binary code will be 1100. We already know this, or we already studied this in the previous lectures. Now in the same way we can write a BCD code for 12, in which we have to consider BCD codes for each of the digit independently, that is for 1 and for 2. See, in the same way we are going to use 8421 code for both the digits. So for 1 the BCD code will be 0001, and whereas for 2 the BCD code will be 0010. This is how we can write a BCD code for the each of the digits in a given decimal number. The same conversions you can see in this table from 0 to 15 numbers. Now suppose if we want to write a BCD code for 973 number. which is a decimal number. So in this case we have to write a BCD code for each of the digit, that is for 9, 7 and 3, which can be written as, for 9 the BCD code will be 1001, for 7 0 1 1 1, whereas for 3 0 0 1 1. This is how we can write a BCD codes for given decimal numbers for each of the digits available in a decimal number. Now we will see conversions related to the BCD codes. The first conversion is how a decimal to BCD code can be written. So in this we are going to write a equivalent BCD code for each of the digit in the decimal number, as we have studied in the last slide. So first example given over here is 3906, which is a decimal number. We have to write a BCD code for that. So simply write BCD codes for each of the digit, that is for 3, 9, 0 and 6, which can be written as, we can write over here BCD code for 3906. Write BCD code for each of the digits available in the given decimal number, that is for 3, for 9, for 0 and for 6, using 8421 formula for each of the digits. So for 3 the BCD code will be 0011, for 9 BCD code will be 1001, for 0 the BCD code will be 0000, and for 6 the BCD code will be 0110. This is how we can convert a given decimal number into the BCD. The same answer is written over here. In second example, the 47 decimal number is supposed to be converted into BCD code. So again consider individual digits, that is 4 and 7. Write BCD code for each of the digits, that is for 4 the BCD code will be 0. Now here we can consider the 8421 formula for each of the digits, that is 8421 for 4 and 8421 for 7. So for 4 the BCD code will be 0 1 0 0, and for 7 the BCD code will be 0 1 1 1. This is how we can get a BCD code for given decimal number. Now next we will see the second conversion related to BCD, that is binary to BCD. So we cannot convert a binary number into BCD directly. So first we have to convert the given binary number into the decimal number. After that we can convert the given decimal number into the BCD. So we already studied how to convert a given binary number into the decimal number. That is, we can write the positional weights for each of the digits in the 2 raised to power, add all the product terms, we will get the decimal number, and after that we can write easily a BCD code for the decimal number. In this, the example taken is 110101, which is a binary number. We have to find a BCD code for the same. So first of all, convert the given binary number into the decimal by writing positional weights for each of the digits in a binary number, which we know very well how to convert a given binary number into decimal by writing positional weights in the 2 raised to power. After that we will get a 53 as a decimal number. Now we can write a BCD code for each of the digits available in this decimal number, that is for 5 and 3. For 5 the BCD code will be 0101, and for 3 the BCD code will be 0011. This is how we can convert the given binary number into the BCD. This you can perform at your own. Now the third conversion is BCD to binary conversion. Again here also we cannot convert a BCD to binary directly. First we have to convert a given BCD number into the decimal, and that decimal number can be converted into the binary. So BCD to decimal can be written using 8421 formula. After that the decimal number is divided by 2 to get its equivalent binary number. In this example, the first example is 01010011. So we write first a decimal number for the given BCD as shown in this table, that is for 0101 the decimal digit will be 5, whereas for 0011 the decimal digit will be 3. This is how we have converted the BCD into the decimal. Now to get binary, divide the decimal number 53 by 2. This we have already studied how a decimal number is converted into the binary, and the conversion is shown in this table. And the binary number for integer part can be written in upward direction, which we have already studied. This is how we can convert the given the given BCD number into the binary, and the end result is written over here. Thank you.